Hello children, welcome back. Hope you all are fine. So we were discussing what about your direct and indirect speech, right? So direct speech means what? Whatever the speaker says, if the person delivers the same thing again, that is called as direct speech. And if the person changes pronouns or tense, okay, then that is called as your what? Reported speech or your indirect speech. And direct speech is also called as your what? The quoted speech, right? Why? Because this is written inside the quotes. Whatever the person has said, that is inside the quotes. That's why that is called as your what? The quoted speech or your what? Direct speech. Okay. Now, so we can change direct speech into indirect speech and indirect speech into direct speech. So there are mainly different rules how to change from direct to indirect. So already we have discussed about that rules, right? The first rule is what? How the pronoun changes. That means the first person, second person and third person. We have discussed about that. And next is what? How we have to change the tense of if, that is in the simple present, we have to change that into simple past, if present continuous. So children, moving to the question, let's see what is the first question, okay? The question is change the sentences from direct to indirect speech, okay? If you know the rules, then that is very easy for you to change the direct speech into indirect speech, okay? So let's see what is the first bit. The first bit is, he said to me, inverted quotes, I am a doctor. So by seeing the inverted quotes, you can see that yes, the sentence is in the direct speech. So let's see, he said to me, I am a doctor, right? The first rule is what? You have to remove the inverted quotes, and after this, he said to me, you have to insert the conjunction, that is that. Yes or no? That you have to use here. So let's write. And you always you remember that this will not change. Whatever the inside the inverted quotes, that will only change. Okay. So he said that. He said to me that. Now, no inverted quotes. I am a doctor. Now, I is here. So I is what? So that is the first person. So here you have to replace I with either he or she. So here you can see that he is there. So the person is what? He. Masculine. So here we have to use he. That is the third person you have to use. Sorry, small letters. He. Okay. So I will change into he. Now, am a doctor. I am a doctor. Now, I am a doctor is what? This is your what? The present simple. Right? So here when the sentence is in the present simple, you have to convert that into your past simple. Yes or no? So here I am a doctor will become what? I was a doctor. Or he was a doctor. Because we are changing I, here we have to use he, right? He was a doctor. Okay? So here am will change into was. A doctor will remain as it is. Full stop. Okay? Here we don't have any time or place to change. So here no need to change anything. And the doctor will remain the same thing. That is the object here. Now he said to me, I am a doctor. In indirect speech, what it will become? He said to me that he was a doctor. Okay? Hope you understood. Moving to the second one, that is, they said he will come. They said he will come. Now, they said will be as it is, and that you have to use when we are removing the inverted quotes. So, they said that he will come. So, here he is what? This is your third person. So, as you know that according to our rule, no need to change the third person. That means we can write this as it is he. Okay? Now, will come. Now will come. Okay. So will come will become what? Would come. Why? Because will change to would according to our rule, right? So he would come. Full stop. So they said he will come will become. They said that he will come. Hope you understood. Moving to the next question. Now, moving to the next bit, you can see here, C bit is what? He said, I was here yesterday. Okay? He said, I was here yesterday. Now, how how to start this? He said that, remove the inverted words. He said that I. So again I, he is there. He said that he, okay, he said that he was here, there, before day. Before day before. Okay? So he said he was there day before. So why? Because I will change into he, here will become there, yesterday will become day before. So after replacing all the things, you will get he said that he was there day before. Okay? Now moving to the next one, what is that? She said, you are my best friend. She said, you are my best friend. So let's start. How to start? She said that you. You is what? The second person. So you will become I. Right? She said to me, and while I am telling, she said you. Okay? But now when I am telling the same thing, I will tell that I. Right? So she said that I am. So now R will become, sorry, am or was. Anything, right? I was. Now my will become what? My, whose? She. That means hers. Okay? So here she said that I was her best friend. Why her? Because the girl, one girl is saying, right? She is used here. So she will become her. So here I was her best friend. Okay? This is very easy if you know the rules. So you can see here, she said you are my best friend. So here three things are there, we have to change. So she said that you will become I, because that is the second person. Now R is there, so R will become was. Okay, why? Because it will change into past, right? So I was, my will become her. Who is telling that my? She is telling. So she is telling means her. So her best friend. So she said that I was her best friend. Hope you understood about this one. Moving to some more examples. Now moving to the next question, E bit. So normally you know that if that is inside the inverted words, if sentence is there, you know how to change. If a question is there, how to change? Rules are same. So let's see how to change that. Okay. So Ram said to me. Ram said to me, what are you doing? Okay. Ram said to me, what are you doing? So always remember that when you are changing the question in the direct speech into indirect speech, at that time you have to use ask or order. You have to write like. Not only that. Normally what we do, he said that, she said that. But when we are using a question in the direct speech, at that time we can use ask. So here Ram said to me can be written as Ram asked me. Why? Because that is a question. Right? So here you can see that Ram asked me what. So remove the inverted words. What will remain? Are you doing? What are you doing will become what? This is in the continuous and this is in the question form. And what? This is in the, yes, present continuous. Now you have to change that into past continuous, right? So what I was doing. So you is there. So you is what? This is your second person. So here you will change into I. Already we have discussed about that one, right? So what I was doing. So here what I was doing. So here the present continuous will change into past continuous. And because this is a question, it starts with what? And ends with a question mark. That is very important. Now Ram asked me what I was doing. Okay. Now moving to the next one. Raja said to John, go away. Now we have discussed about the sentence. We have discussed about the question. If order is there, right? If order is there, like Raja said to John, go away. This is the order. So here we can write Raja ordered to John. Raja ordered to John, go away. Here you can write order. So Raja ordered John. No need to write to again. Okay. Raja ordered John to go away. Okay. Here Ram asked me. Right. So here also we have not used to, because directly we are using ask. So here Raja ordered John to go away. Okay, if question is given, you can use ask. So teacher asked like that if question is given, and if order is given, you can use directly ordered. Okay, hope you understood about this one. So with this, your direct and indirect speech is over.